and today we are going to be doing a squishy reveal. So let's get on to the video. So, here, I don't know how I'm going to prop this up here. How's that, guys? Oh, gosh. We're going to spend most of the time trying to prop this up.
Here, I'll hold it.
So, first squishy is this little one I got for Christmas. It's an ice cream.
It has sprinkles on it.
It kind of, I don't know what it smells really.
It's kind of like, it
smells
can be a
good.
keychain. It's a keychain.
Yeah, for your book bag or your purse or whatever you want it to be. And now Grace is going
I
to...
will show a squishy. Okay. This little pink puppy dog who is so squishy, but it is very slow rising. See, the head is still popping up.
And still.
Okay, so they have like a
dent
dent right here.
It came with that.
It
just feels like really soft right there.
Next.
A cinnamon bun. And I got this one at Walmart.
It's really cool.
Pretty
It is
slow.
very slow rising.
Doesn't really smell like anything.
No, not really.
No.
Okay, my turn. I'm going to show you guys this like kitty cat cheeseburger. It has like 2 burgers, and on the top the bun is like super cute with a little like eyes and the whiskers.
My
and little...
thumb was like this.
So that's really squishy. It doesn't take too long to come up. So, next one.
I'm going to show you guys this one. Like, this one's, like, not that good. It's a pancake, and, like, look at this, guys. Look at it. It doesn't even take time to rise. It's not even squishy.
Oh, it's hard. I don't like that. It's hard. So, that's definitely disliked. Okay. Next one. I'm going. Okay.
This
I'm
might
gonna
be
do
like
a
a 15
corn.
minute video.
Can you move your finger? Oh, sorry. It's okay. This is like a corn keychain. It smells like corn.
Yeah.
It smells like real corn. And you can see it's like burnt or cooked
Or whatever.
and it's so squishy. I just love this.
Next one.
This can also be a keychain. That can also.
I got this Cafe Dien squishy.
Are you gonna take it out of that?
I may not. Wait, I might.
It's still in the
Packaging. I just got this for Christmas. I can't get this. Here, we'll skip to when it's open.
Okay, guys, it's open.
My keychain.
You can take the tag off. Hold on, guys. We'll be right back.
Okay, guys. So this is what it looks like. It's actually pretty slow rising for one of the little squishies. Like, look. Like, Lily. Like, I wish I
Grace.
Lily. Grace. So, how slow rising do you think this is going to be?
I don't know. I haven't really
We're going to
seen
scale from 1
it
to
yet.
10.
1 to 10. 1 to 10. 7?
And then you're going to vote at the end. Ready?
Uh, 10. 10?
It's still rising.
That took pretty long.
Okay, now it's boys this time.
It's my turn to show a squishy.
We need to hurry because if it's 15 minutes or
Okay.
above, it won't work.
This is like a
croissant.
croissant. It can be a
Hey,
keychain too.
Look at this. Look at my beard. Look at my beard.
Okay, Jalen.
Next one. Okay. So next one is this one, and I wish it was like the little slices, but I've been wanting this one, and it has like the chocolate on the side and a little face.
What is it like?
It's like a bear and a toast with chocolate on there.
Oh, it fell. Squishy. Okay, so now I'm going to show a squishy, and I've been wanting to show this one. It says
Gushio Squeezies.
Gushio Squeezies. It's hot coffee. It's like so slow rising.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it smells so good. If you guys can smell this right now, you're like, smell
Here, go ahead, smell it. There
I
we go.
can't smell it, Jalen.
I know.
Okay, So this squishy is just
We only have 10 more minutes left.
okay. Okay, next one. Jalen's gonna show. Let's just go.
This
through.
PB&J squishy. I got it at Walmart. So yeah.
My turn. So we're gonna go quicker because we don't have lots of time left. I'm showing the watermelon.
It smells really good. It smells like the watermelon gummies.
It does. It really does.
But it has like a defect.
Mhm.
Okay, here.
Now Jalen is showing.
Here is a tooth, and it is like that.
It's like it looks
But
like
the thing
it
I like about it is it's just like the right squishy to have like a defect because it's like a cavity.
Yeah, because when you have, you probably know this. You're not stupid, but like when you have cavities, you have a hole in your tooth. So it's perfect because it's breaking in here. So that's really cool. Now I'm showing the really big peach, and
It looks like a butt.
look, it looks like. Okay, so that's really slow rising. And okay, Jalen, it's your turn.
Okay, I'm going to show Billy the whale.
The whale.
It is Millie's brother, and Millie's pink, and the same whale, but I have a bad thing that happened. So Millie got lost because my friend Lillian put it somewhere, and she wouldn't tell me where she hid it. So, yeah, that's where that one went.
Okay, now I'm going to share, and I'm going to show, okay, a strawberry.
That one smells so good.
Oh my goodness, this smells, it's so smooth, like when you feel it.
Yeah, it's like
it's
soft.
really smooth.
Okay. Next one
Jalen's gonna
is this
share.
pink one I got, and guess what, guys? Sunday. Guess what I'm doing? No, Monday. I am going to a sleepover with my aunt who is 10, my uncle, and my other aunt who is older, and we're going to build a fort and have a sleepover. And that's where I got this from. It came with a note that said that, and came with this squishy. 'Cause
Okay.
I know we like squishies.
This is like a purple
Metallic.
pear, or what is it?
Metallic.
Metallic. I almost said pear, guys. I think I did say pear. Well, it looks like a pear, but it is purple.
It is a pear. It's
You
a
just-
purple metallic pear. Metallic is like a gold kind of color.
I'm
like
so
it has, like,
sorry.
shiny.
I'm so sorry.
Or
everyone.
shiny?
I'm like metallic. So this is super smooth. Okay, hold on.
Okay, next.
Our next one
Is
is Jamie will be
this-
showing us.
It's
It's like a rainbow.
It's another metallic rainbow thing. And it's very slow rising.
It is very.
Look at that.
Out of 1 to 10, I would call it 10. It's still going. It's
More
not
like
even
100.
halfway.
Now it's halfway.
Okay. We're gonna spend all of our time doing that. Oh my goodness, this is like our biggest one. This is not
7 more
mine.
minutes left.
This is okay, like a piece of cake, like
Walmart from Walmart.
Walmart if you want to get that. And also speaking of where we got these, this
It's from Delaware.
This is from Delaware, so I don't
Near
know
Bethany
if you would
Beach.
find this from.
Only if you like live in Delaware, you go to
yeah,
Delaware.
if you live in Delaware, find this.
Bethany
it's by the
Beach
beach.
Boardwalk.
Yes, and you can also get this online on Amazon. So
Yes.
it's
6 more minutes.
So yeah, you're gonna share now.
This is a unicorn one.
Ooh, unicorn head. That is a keychain. We have a lot of keychains that we did not talk about, but
Okay.
we have like a bin full of squishies. Okay, I'm going to.
We're getting down to like our last 6.
And this is another unicorn. It's like a unicorn flying in the air, and
No, like this is its tail, so it's kind of like a rainbow because like tails aren't usually purple, so
Yeah,
it's pooping
it's-
out rainbows.
Oh, that's a way to put it. It's very squishy and it's like a flat object. So.
Comment down below if you believe in unicorns.
Unicorns are awesome, guys.
And next is this little
So we're
one.
like handing the phone around everywhere. Smells pretty good.
And it has this on
What
the
is it?
back.
What is
Okay, so the last bin
Is
I
it like
was
a
having it in is
fish?
pink, and it got dyed onto it.
Oh, what is it?
It's like a duck.
Like a duck.
Okay,
kind of.
hurry! We
Let's
have
show you the
5
duck.
more minutes.
Okay. I'm gonna show you a little pink kitty cat. It's not very squishy. Here. I'm sorry we're rushing you guys.
Oh, I have a lot more. This is like a little piggy. So
That's a keychain. Whoa, there's way more than 6 in here. This is like a pink peanut. Like Hold on. Next one
is a panda bun. It's not slow rising at all, but
It's not. Okay, next one. I'm gonna show you a little ducky name. It's pretty cool.
next I'm going to show you this. This ear is ripping off. I decided to tape it.
Oh.
That's a Shopkin.
Okay, and this is
A little face.
a little face. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please give us a big thumbs up, and if you like this video, please subscribe.
And also, wait, subscribe to become the J fans.
And the J
Jason.
fans will
Get to see Grace, a girl named Lillian, which I'm in a fight with right now. So, and and Morgan.
all in one video, and we will be making the biggest slime you will ever see. It is going to be so fluffy. You will never want to miss this video. So please give us subscribe
and the bell so you can find the video.
Bye guys.
Bye.